I used to be a real Thunderbirds fan when I was a kid. In fact, still am. This hack is called Thunderbird 2. Okay, I'm outside, so I hope you can hear me. But this is Thunderbird 2. No, seriously, you're looking at Thunderbird 2. This, and this. So they're 4 M24 lugs put onto the back door, big spreader plates behind, and that is the mounting point for various Thunderbird pods, which I'll show you now. So that's the mole, which is carried in pod 2. Actually, it's not, it's my ramps, as you can quite clearly see. These are the things that I just keep on the back most of the time. Haven't got to take up any storage, they're ideal, and I've got a very quick release mechanism. That's the tag that goes on my do not drive alarm to stop me driving off whilst I'm still on the ramps. Check that hack out if you haven't seen it already. I'll put a link in at the end of the video. So there's the actual bracket I made for it, and generally that just lives on the van. I just take the ramps off when I need them. So that's Thunderbird 2. The pod is the mole. Okay, now to show you the monobrake. Thunderbird fans know that this is carried in pod 6. Any ideas what that might be? Yes, it's my bike rack. And finally, the Domo, which was the heavy lift vehicle. Although I don't actually lift anything very heavy. Can be used for a variety of things. For example, picnic table and chairs. Although to be frank, we don't take this away much now. We find we're just more casual, like to sit eating off our knee, but we've got the option. So there you go, there is the hack. 3 strong M24 lugs with, of course, a big spreader plate behind, and then you just build whatever module you want to clip in there for whatever purpose. I've got 3 at the moment. I've got the mole, which is my ramps. That's the ones I got on the vast majority of the time. Of course, I've got one for the bike rack and the general lift as well. Got plans for a couple more pods as well, which I'll probably be showcasing perhaps later on when I get to build them. Hope it's of use. Thunderbirds, I'll go.